Hi guys, I'm Amy Dabbelt. I'm your Norwex independent consultant. Thanks for stopping by the channel. In today's video, I'm going to quickly talk about our Envirocloth and our kitchen cloth, how they're different, and when you would want to use both cloths. So first of all, thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, please hit the like sign. And if you want to see more videos from me about Norwex products and cleaning hacks, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for post notifications. So let's get into this. The Envirocloth. It is the heart and soul of Norwex. It's how we started 27 years ago. The Envirocloth is a very heavy duty cloth. If I was to hold a flashlight behind it, you would not be able to see the light come through because there's 10 million feet of fabric. I go to this cloth for all my heavy duty jobs. So counters, even dusting, glass. I use this with our window cloth for all my glass and mirrors. I use this in bathrooms, toilets, everything. This is my go-to cloth for 90% of my home. I use this instead of rags, paper towels, all-purpose cleaners, dusting products, window cleaners, everything. My home is completely chemical free. So this is extremely tightly woven. As I mentioned before, all the fibers are literally 1/200th of a human hair. Imagine that. Now I have some split ends, but they're not 1/200th of a human hair. That's pretty tiny. So because the fibers are so tiny and it is such a tightly woven cloth, it holds on to everything. And I mean everything. That's why it can pick up 99% of bacteria. So you wouldn't want to use this cloth on a food soiled surface, like my kitchen table after breakfast. So I always use this on food-free surfaces. What I use in the kitchen after breakfast, lunch, and dinner, after I am a very messy cook, by the way, after I cook, is I will grab our kitchen cloth. And they do come in a lot of different colors to match your decor. They have matching towels, which are amazing. But the kitchen cloth, and this is one of my well-loved cloths. I've probably washed it 100 times. It's still as pretty as it was the day I bought it, but it is a looser woven fabric. And I'll just hold this up compared to the Envirocloth so you can get a good peek. So the fibers are completely different, the Envirocloth and the kitchen cloth. So it's different woven. It has channels in it. So when I clean a food soiled surface, so any of those surfaces that I mentioned, there's crumbs or even wet, nasty food, the channels in this cloth will allow the food to completely rinse out. Also, the weave is not as tight, so I'm able to quickly rinse it, hang it to dry, and it dries faster than my Envirocloth. Now it still has all the amazing powers, right? It still has the micro silver. It still has the things that I really want in my kitchen to get rid of those germs, so I can still collect grease, grime, dirt, and 99% of bacteria. So when I clean the food surfaces and the kitchen counters and the faucets, and I'm looking around like all the other things I clean with this, I don't have to worry about using disinfectants or all-purpose cleaner because I'm also getting bacteria when I use this on a food soiled surface. So definitely a looser woven fabric, and when there's less fabric, it's a cheaper cloth. So it's a less expensive than the Envirocloth. I tend to have a lot more of these in my drawer. They're my go-to cloths. I've actually been able to completely stop buying paper towels, saved so much money that way. And then this Envirocloth is where I go for my heavy duty business. So I hope this video was helpful to give you just a little bit more insight on when you would want to use both cloths. And if you have any questions, please post it below and I'll get back to you. And I hope you guys have a great day. If you liked the video, hit the like button and I'll see you again soon.